It's going to put flavor into the dish that tastes like onion.
Okay, this is from Boatech on 23 on Instagram. How do you know what onion to use with different dishes? It confuses me.
Well, onions are a really large family. Oh, look at there's a big turkey in the backyard. Listen, if I have a white onion and I don't have a yellow-skinned onion, I use the white onion. If I have a red onion and I don't have a yellow skin or a white onion, guess what wins? The red onion. It's going to put flavor into the dish that tastes like onion. Leeks are a little different. They're more subtle, and shallots are kind of different, but just marginally. If you're just going to add onion flavor, you can even do it with granulated onion or dried onion, of course. You can get there in a lot of different ways. Don't be, too cognizant of that. When I'm making something where onion is the main ingredient, as with any dish, if you're making a dish where that ingredient is the star, like you're making French onion soup, then you care about the onion being nice and tight and not spongy, and the skin is still tight when you try to peel them, and you want 5 or 6 really big onions to fill the pot to overflowing before you slowly caramelize them and develop their sugars, and they should be uniform shape and size and all of the same variety. I just use a large yellow-skinned onion for French onion soup, but if you're making something where that ingredient is the star, that's when you worry. If you're using it as one of multiple ingredients in making a red sauce or a marinara or chili, for instance, you're fine. Use whatever onion you got in the house.
This is from Walkin' in Bizu on Instagram. I was wondering if you've cooked and enjoyed the alternative pastas, such as red lentil and chickpea.
Well, we cook with farro, period, and farro pasta. We have cooked with chickpea pasta. I have to tell you the truth, John did not love the consistency. There are many substitute pastas, corn pasta, rice-based or rice-mixed pastas that are gluten-free that we've made for friends that you've enjoyed.
Corn pasta, you have a nice recipe for that.
Several.
Yep.
You like that. It's a consistency thing for John. Most people that cook for a living can and will eat literally anything, and you can make almost anything taste pretty good. So really, for me, it's just about how can I feed the people I'm trying to feed in the most effective way, and do they enjoy it? It's very rarely about what my preference is. I'm pretty easy to please, actually. There's many gluten-free, I assume is where we're going with that conversation, pastas on the market. I do have to say though, you did not love the chickpea pasta. You didn't care for the consistency of it. And we've never tried red lentil, but that's a great next get. I like that a lot.